We carry out small roof repairs. In extreme situations we carry out rapid roof sealing. In most cases roof life can be extended up to 15 years or more. If the roof is very old and cannot be repaired, we can carry out a major roof repair. We manufacture and install flashings, work with double seam and able to seal the complex roofs. We repair roofs covered with tiles, slates, metal and felt. In most cases leakage occurs near the chimney, valley and skylight. There is a leaking chimney before repair and here after repair. Here's a leaking window, but the reason for leaking is a small roof slope. In this case, the skylight's angle has been changed by lifting the front. We introduced additional flashings and the cause of the leaking has been resolved. The roof valley must be extremely hermetic, because there is a large flow of water. This roof valley was rusty and had holes, so we removed the old one and installed a new one. You don't need to look for masters who repair the water-damaged apartment decorating. We will do it. We have 22 years experience in roof works, so we know how to properly repair the roof. If you need a small or large roof repair, call or email. We will carry out an independent roof survey, and we will offer you the best solution. Contacts and links are at the bottom of the video.